Hi guys, I'm here in Qatar, Doha. This is my 58th country and I'm here to celebrate my birthday while filming reviews of the best hotels. By the way, last year I celebrated my birthday on a cruise around the Persian Gulf, so you can find the review on my channel. In this video we'll get a tour of Rixos Premium Qetaifan Island North, and I especially chose this hotel for my birthday because it features one of the largest water parks in the world, which was recently added to the Guinness World Record. It holds two records: the world's tallest water slide and most water slides from a single tower. And the best part, hotel guests get complimentary access to the water park. So this is going to be fun. Watch the video until the end. Wow, look at this, so cute and beautiful. They decorated the room before my birthday and they printed the photos from my Instagram, my stories, my posts. I'm so pleased, thank you so much. And so nice basket, fruit basket, so tasty. Wow, raspberry, I want raspberry actually. Wow. What can I see? Dessert, some amazing and so nice coffee smell. Actually, I want to drink coffee with a sea view. Now let me show you my room, which is a deluxe king sea view, meaning it has a sea view and a large king-size bed. The room is quite spacious and stylish. A coffee machine. The minibar is already included in the all-inclusive package and is restocked daily. Touchscreen room controls. Bathrobes, an iron and ironing board, a full set of bath and shower amenities, L'Occitane toiletries which smell amazing, we are tasting French a la carte restaurant, La Brasserie, and I will try famous onion soup. Tasty. For the main, I will have beef steak, medium. Let's try. It goes with the mashed potato, carrot, asparagus, and something else. Lovely. Fruit platter for dessert. The hotel operates on multiple meal plans, including all-inclusive, which covers a buffet restaurant, two a la carte restaurants, pool and beach bars, a lobby bar serving delicious desserts, snacks and sandwiches, restaurants inside the water park. Night view overlooking the Doha. We're gonna explore this huge Meryal Waterpark. It's really huge with different water slopes. Wow, just incredible. There are so many slides here. I feel like you can't try them all in just one day. There are funnels, twists and turns. I have no idea if I will be able to capture it all on my action camera, but I will do my best. So let's go to explore. Let's try water. It's January. I think it's around, I don't know, maybe 20 degrees or 18. But don't want to maybe it's windy today. The hotel is brand new, having opened in 2024. Beautiful spa and gym. The spa area is beautiful, featuring a hammam, jacuzzi and an experienced shower. The gym is very well equipped. Unfortunately, I had no time to test it. Sports activities, kids club activities. There is something for the little ones every hour. Here we have a kids club and children's pool. Such a stunning infinity pool. It is with temperature control, it's heated in winter for a comfortable swim. An open-air wooden gym, jungle gym. Tonight we have dinner at Amos restaurants. It's Greek restaurants, a la carte. You can come here having the all-inclusive program in Rixos Premium Qetaifan. I have prawns, and here we have mushrooms in oyster sauce and halloumi cheese. I ordered seafood fregola. It's something like a small pasta with the seafood. And also we will try beef javetsi. It's homemade orsa and roasted tomato sauce and braised wagyu short ribs. Wow, sounds great. Let's try. Rather melting and bit tomato. I like it. Find the best deals for this hotel through the links in the description below this video. This is traditional Greek dessert, portakalapita. You should eat it with olive oil and taking all the 3 ingredients, 3 flavors in 1 spoon, so it will be like the best taste then. Subscribe to the channel for more hotel reviews from Qatar and beyond. We tried almost every ride at the Meryal Waterpark. I recommend to spend 2 days here, one for this tower and one for the main area. I did the tallest walled slope. It was rather thrilled, and of course I had a wow effect. Also, I liked when you're entering that dark space with a 3D imagination of marine animals. It was rather unexpected and rather beautiful, so I also recommend it. Actually, you feel comfortable even now in January because water is heated, and even if it's like a bit windy or cloud, so you can take your bathrobe and you feel really, now it's very hot actually. You can use all the restaurants if you are living in Rixos Premium Qetaifan free of charge. Let's take breakfast at Rixos Premium Qetaifan. Cold cuts, salmon, fresh bakeries and pastries, fresh croissant, almond croissant, danishes, different pies. Everything is very tasty and smells excellent. Waffles, pancakes, croissant, different toppings, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, salads, different toppings, honey and jam selections, Arabic corner, Roughneck bowls. Wow, something interesting. Note. Fruit selection, papaya, pineapple, grapefruit, melon and watermelon cutted, and also whole plums, apples, oranges, pears and bananas. Dates and halwa selection, chia pudding, muesli, yogurts, flakes, sun-dried fruits. different kinds of nuts and seeds. There's omelette station. Broccoli soup for breakfast. Okay, rice porridge, oatmeal. I'm tasting eggs Benedict, my favorite dish for breakfast. Actually, it looks nice and tastes also nice. This is first floor of Chalet. Living area, dining table and the kitchen. One bedroom with twin beds. The sea view, small terrace. Special cosmetics for the kids, so lovely. The Petit Prince. Molten Brout amenities and L'Occitane. Master bedroom with one king-size bed. Nice decoration and design. All villas can be interconnected between each other. And here, big bathroom with a bath tube. Wow, beautiful. Molten brown bath amenities. On the terrace you have your own jacuzzi.